This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, an electronic throttle, a passenger side vanity mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 33,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1-year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. This Honda has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
DCH Paramus Honda is conveniently located at 120 West Route 4 East in Paramus. We are proud to be one of the premier dealerships in the area for new and certified Honda cars, trucks, and SUVs. From the moment you walk into our showroom, you will know that our commitment to service is second to none. DCH Paramus Honda, delivering customer happiness.